The Samsung event happened. Now let's talk about what you need to know. Well, Samsung talked about AI, 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 and AI. Oh, they also talk about the cameras and the hardware. They talk about AI so much that I thought they forgot about everything else. Well, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Now let's get right into the show. Let's go ahead and get the cameras and hardware out of the way. The design of the Galaxy S25 series closely resembles the previous S24 series, with the most distinguishing changes found in the color options. And as far as the thickness, the S25 series is the thinnest lineup that Galaxy has produced so far. And if you're looking for something sleek and you found it, the S25, by the way, rocks a fully flat frame, unlike the rounded edges of its predecessor. The Galaxy S25 series is powered by the newly introduced Snapdragon 8 Elite Galaxy chip, which promises significant performance upgrades over its predecessor. This means there will be a 37% faster CPU, 30% faster GPU, and a 40% improvement in newer engine performance. The thermals that keep the device cool have a new vapor chamber, which is 40% better than last year. And it will also keep your device cool even during intense tasks such as prolonged gaming sessions. The S25 Ultra will come with 12 gigs of RAM, and the battery life will remain at 5,000 milliamp battery. The 6.9-inch display protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 2, offering durability along with an anti-reflecting coating for improved visibility. The S Pen Bluetooth functionality will not work, so say goodbye to those air commands. Maybe the 3 people that's watching this video might be using air commands. Oh, wait a minute, I'm the 4th one. I'm just kidding. The S25 Ultra cameras are equipped with the Advanced Pro Visual Engine, which significantly improve image quality whenever you take zoom shots, selfies, or portraits. The Pro Visual Engine ensures stunning professional quality results in every scenario. We're going to test that out when I get the device. It enhances textures, delivers more vibrant and lifelike colors, and drastically improves low light photo and video performance. One standout feature is its ability to capture night videos with remarkable clarity, ensuring your footage remains crisp even in challenging light conditions. The physical cameras will remain the same except for the ultra-wide camera, which is being upgraded from a 12 megapixel sensor to a 50 megapixel sensor. The selfie cam has a 12 megapixel sensor, which produces lifelike selfies, textures, and great lighting. And we are going to go over a handful of Galaxy AI features. While I'm going through them, I want you to think about it and tell me in the comments below which feature are you most interested in. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Now, Find a Photo has a new AI feature and engine installed. All you have to do is ask your Galaxy device to find a photo of your dog wearing a red coat and eating cake from last winter. Then the AI visual language will detect it and find the picture for you by using specific keywords. It's a really cool feature. Now I just have to remember any specific moments like my wedding. I'm just kidding, guys. Audio Eraser. Using the power of the Galaxy AI, you'll be able to eliminate unwanted sounds like voices, music, wind, or any unwanted background noise, allowing you to preserve the audio you actually want to hear. Pro Scaler basically means that you can play a low resolution video It will automatically be upscaled to a 480p resolution and enhance color vibrance and overall detail. Galaxy Log footage is similar to raw photos on previous Galaxy devices. It captures more data during recording, allowing for enhanced details and production edits. Call notes. When activated, call notes are embedded on the same screen as your phone call. It's similar to call notes. It'll summarize your conversation so you can recall if you forget something in the conversation. Now briefs will give you briefings about your day, like in the morning briefs, which include a weather forecast, your energy score, and sleep levels. My sleep level sucks. You'll also receive briefs throughout the day, evening times, and even the night times. Then you have the now bar, which will show you a dynamic activity cards at the bottom of your homepage, such as sports scores, map directions, and travel information such as car accidents or flight reminders. Gemini Advanced will also work with your calendar and reminders. This will give you personalized answers and enhance productivity, like using your Samsung calendar. Gemini will be able to create, edit, or delete events and create events on your calendar with screenshots. Samsung Notes will summarize existing notes. Gemini is also integrated with your Gmail, WhatsApp, Spotify, and the list goes on. Samsung's sketch to image feature that debuted with the Z Fold 6. Well, it's just received a huge update. Previously, you had to sketch your image and AI would try to generate the image you were drawing. The problem was that AI couldn't always figure out what the person was drawing. Like my wife, for example, trying to draw six figures. I'm just kidding. But now you can draw your images, you still can draw your images, and you could text it and even use voice input. You can enjoy this feature if you get the S25 series or One UI 7. Let's not forget your S25 device will receive operating system updates until 2032. Dog, I'll be really old, right? Well, I'm going to end the video here. And don't forget to tell me your favorite feature. Samsung has a lot of Galaxy AI features, so I'm pretty sure you can find something there. Well, I don't have anything else. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Well, until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.